May nag-text sa akin. Sabi po, Tita Agnes, marami pong nagsasabi sa paligid ko. Ang sabi po nila, yung super visa po hanggang 2 years lang. Yung iba naman nagsasabi 3 years lang. Okay, for clarity. As of July 4 of 2022, ang bagong polisiya po na inilabas ng Immigration Canada, all super visa holders, parents, grandparents na dadating as of July 22 hanggang ngayon, 5 years po they can stay here. Ano yung 2 years na naririnig nung iba? Ang 2 years po, just in case after 5 years, ayaw pang umuwi nung nanay at tatay o nung lolo at lola. And then now they can stay here for additional 2 years and they have to apply that extension option. Okay? Yun, mabilis na mabilis. Sabi ko, 5 years and then you can reapply. After 5 years, you can extend your stay ng inyong mga magulang for additional 2 years. Pero mag-a-apply kayo. Yun lamang po for today. This is again Tita Agnes. Kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan, let me know at madaling sasagutin po ito through Alam Nyo Ba serye. Okay, bye! Bye! Babush!